Let's hear a few words from Mr. Robert Kenworthy.
It is with great pride and much thanks that I accept the 2023 SMART4SEA Leadership Award for my contribution towards smarter shipping as founder and CEO of GTMaritime. However, I see this award as an acknowledgement not of my individual achievements, but of those of the entire GTMaritime team, whose hard work and commitment have taken us to where we are today. So where are we today? Well, serving over 14,000 vessels worldwide, GTMaritime is now one of the largest, if not the largest, providers of satellite, email and maritime data communication solutions. Part of my role as a leader has been to develop this team by bringing them on board and ensuring that they have the tools and knowledge required to perform their jobs effectively. In addition, any good leader should also establish values and inspire staff members to apply them in every aspect of their jobs and to feel pride in doing so. Our company values allow staff to feel safe. Safe to share their thoughts without fear of judgment from other members of the team. This then promotes creativity, trust and collaboration, ensuring that ideas flow freely and that new solutions can be conceived and developed as efficiently as possible. And I have no doubt that this has contributed to GTMaritime's success and growth, as the company has grown from providing a single email solution to offering a suite of maritime data communication solutions which are making significant inroads in the market. Being safe and trusting each other also inspires loyalty. The majority of our staff have given us over 10 years of service, and some have been with us for more than 15 years. Such loyalty and commitment means everything to us at GTMaritime, but it's equally important to our customers, who benefit from the continuity and trust in the relationship with our team members. If you look after your staff, they will look after your customers. And our staff are always willing to go the extra mile to provide unparalleled customer support. On more than one occasion, a client has left us for a free product, only to return within a matter of months, and having realised that the level of care our team members provide, as well as the quality of our products, is hard to come by elsewhere. So finally, I am proud of each and every member of the GTMaritime team, and I wholeheartedly thank each and every one of them for this award.